It's the end of another year, and boy do I have a lot to say. I've got some really good stuff over the past 365 days. We've been out and about from Pefferlaw to Brampton. Only next year, I hope to do something rather unusual in Hamilton. Go Transit this year has been pretty much the same up until this July. That was when something insane came. At least 3 of the nostalgic old cab cars were put back into service, 251, 253, and 257. I've heard some Railfans say they felt like they were back in heaven. So for this throwback, I'll be counting down my top 10 favorite train horns. However, this was also a year when a lot of Dash 8s were torn. 2 Dash 8s I can name off the top of my head, 2023 and 2465, were both put into a permanent sleeping bed. So without further ado, sit back and relax as we play back some great times, because the following are some of the beautiful melodies of Nathan Air Chimes. According to Tyler M., this is going to be an intermodal train, and here it is right now. This is at Queensville Side Road, by the way. And we have, sounds like another SD75i. No, this is an SD70M2. Yep, it's an intermodal, all right. $8,004.
Multiple restrictions. Ability to burn and boarding check.
Whoa! Emergency horn!
Westbound, north track, 3815. Intermodal. It's going pretty quick. I don't have my tripod up right, so I don't know which way the train's gonna come. P5. Eastbound. Oh, it's a Jevo.
No, this actually might be a -9. It's moving very slowly. Alright, and my number one
Whoa
pick...
there, Michael. You still have to do the honorable mentions.
Cedric, how can I ever thank you? I knew I was forgetting something.
Well, that's my job, Michael.
Well, in that case, here are some very honorable mentions.
Dash 9. Okay, so we happen to have a Canadian Pacific that has literally just stopped before the crossing. This is at Reeser Road, just down the street from York subdivision. It's like they were doing a crew change here.
Come on.
Set off and tail end lift so he can do his own go by and walk the boat. Sir, let me know if you guys don't see the fuel truck down there.
Okay, Michael, now you can show your number one pick.
Thank you, Cedric. Alright, my favorite train horn of this year has to be none other than this. Yes, this was a big year for rail fans like me. My knowledge of CN is growing to a T. For every rail fan, young and old, will have flashbacks like this that just have to be told. We've all filled our batches with epic catches. I know people like Tyler M are trying to get everything in the book. All you have to do in order to get them is just simply take a look. In conclusion, this year was definitely better than last year, but it still has its flaws. Even though it wasn't perfect, we're still taking it out with an applause. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and watch us all grow and thrive. This video is now over, and I say the following with joy and cheer. See you in the next video, everybody, and Happy New Year!